What's up, guys? Today we'll be unboxing these precision turbo products for my build. Before we do that, I'd like to thank Ryan and the team at Velocity Racing Performance that got me these awesome products. Also agreed to continue our sponsorship for the 2021 racing season. So thank you guys. Without further ado, I got my little helper here. We're gonna unbox these products. So the first one here, this is the precision blow-off valve. Hold that, Dave. Hold that. Got the hardware here. Comes with washers and their vacuum fittings. This is a 50 millimeter precision turbo blow-off valve. Comes in a black anodized, nice compact size. Comes with the weld-on adapter. Beautiful stuff here. Next up, we got the 66 millimeter wastegate from Precision. Here's another one. Here's a book. There you go. Comes in nice foam packaging. This is a big boy, guys. 66 millimeter. This is a CO2 version. I'll explain in a later video why I'll be going to CO2. But it comes with all the V-bands, all the weld-on V-bands also. Some spare springs, 3 spare springs to set your base pressure. Nice stuff, black anodized, stainless steel housing. Beautiful stuff, Precision, thank you. So now, I'm sure everybody's been waiting for this one. Now we'll move it here. This is obviously a turbocharger. That's a big one. So this is the 6785 next gen precision turbo. Beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. I decided to upgrade to the stainless steel V-band housing. This is a 1.0 housing, just to give me more angle of adjustment, easier to access, easier to unbolt. Just makes more sense to me. Nice stuff here. I mean, as you spin this thing, you can feel the airflow through your hand. Beautiful stuff in Precision. The reason I decided to go 6785 is because we're focusing on competing in World Cup finals. And in order to do so, this is the biggest turbo I can run in the true street class. That'll be our goal this year. Get the car in the 8s and go over to Maryland and compete in World Cup finals. Last but not least, Velocity Performance has got these beautiful turbo housing blankets. These built by Velocity Performance. Thank you, guys. Keep the heat away from underneath the hood and in the turbo where it belongs. Again, thank you, Velocity Performance 2021. Let's do it.